Hi there, my name is Sacha from Sendmarc, and I'd like to explore with you why only now is it that managed DMARC is becoming a viable and exciting business model for MSPs. And I think it's got to do with a couple of things. The first being it's been super painful in the past to deploy DMARC. From a workload perspective, from explaining the value to customers, a software perspective, DMARC platforms haven't been architected for MSPs traditionally. But also, it just took too long. So we're talking 40, 50, 60, 80 hours per domain to get the domain to compliance. Domain projects staying open for years without the domain getting to full compliance. So it's taking too long. And for that reason, too expensive. Customers not willing to pay for the time required to get that domain to full compliance. And for that reason, MSPs have never been able to build or have struggled to build a viable business out of managed DMARC. And obviously that's all changing now. Sendmarc see ourselves as part of that solution where we've architected our platform, our people, our whole process, everything in our business around MSPs to make it easier, frictionless for you to take DMARC to your customers. We're even going so far as doing the full implementation and offering that service through you at a price that makes complete sense to any customer, from a very small size right up to a multinational with tens of thousands of staff. So this makes it possible for MSPs to make the decision to offer DMARC and turn it into a viable business. And if you'd like to learn a little bit more about that, stick around for the next couple of minutes and I'll show you just some of the things we're doing to make a managed DMARC business meaningful for MSPs. So probably the place to start is how we service the MSP through our platform, through the life cycle. We built the software and all the tools that help you promote and educate your customers about DMARC and the value of DMARC. Generate leads, drive them into your pipeline, target the right prospects. If you give us a list of all your customers, we'll tell you which ones are vulnerable. We help you co-sell in those meetings if you need us. And then, as I mentioned earlier, do the full implementation as well. For MSPs that want to do the implementation themselves, we have an amazing onboarding program. And then what you'll find is our software has been built for you. Multi-tenanted, co-branded, lots of automation, alerts, task management, etc. One-click deployment of much of the DNS changes that need to be made. But for those of you that want to start in a place where we handle all the heavy lifting for you, it's such a smooth and easy way to on-ramp into this managed DMARC business model. Trust in our experts. We have one of the largest teams of DMARC technical experts in the world that have taken over 15,000 domains in the world, and not just small ones, but large, very significant high-impact domains to reject over the last couple of years. At the moment, we are at a run rate of about 1,000 domains per month to full compliance. So we have the capacity, we track every project in detail, and our net promoter score amongst customers and partners is 97, which is really right up there. We do it, we manage the projects through email and video, and it's really safe for your customers to work with us because we don't ask for credentials. We work outside of the customer network, and we're very good at managing change controls. Just an example of how we're making your life a bit easier. On the revenue side, we'll take a full list of your customers' domains and give you a report back that shows you the kind of revenue business you're looking at, who's vulnerable, who's protected, and what that is valuable, what the value is for you as an MSP, so we can work on building a meaningful business together. I hope that was helpful. We'd love to talk to you about building a meaningful DMARC business. Bye for now.